Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the oil pressure sensor, fuse and relay are located. If you have problems with the oil pressure sensor, by the way, we'll have video how to test it on our channel if you need that. We'll explain where to find these fuses and relays, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So the oil pressure sensor guys, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this BMW X3, X4 right here. By the way guys, okay, we'll be working multiple locations, some hidden fuse boxes. First you need to open the passenger door, open the glove box, get everything out of the glove box, because in the very back on the right you have a cover. Push that tab, pull the cover out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, here we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check a few more, and we'll go to a hidden one as well. And here, if you come in that row of fuses, that very last one is known as fuse number 35. That will be the first fuse that you need to check. So after this one, you need to go ahead and open the trunk, remove that cover on the side. You see that insulation piece, pull it up. Behind it you have another fuse box. Here you need to check up to 4 different fuses. You may have all of them or just a few of them, depending. By the way, 3 fuses on which year, model, engine you have. If you have fuse 131, it will be right here, check it, and 132 will be right there. We don't have those, but you need to check fuse number 143 right there. Now guys, here that's what happens. Now the magic here guys, open the trunk, open the hood, facing the engine towards the windshield. Here on the driver's side you see that cover needs to come out. We'll have a video how to remove it in our BMW X3, X4 fuse box location and diagram video. Here guys, that's your brake fluid reservoir. That white cap needs to come out. pull that clip, remove that cover, and underneath you have the integrated power supply module. If you remove it, it looks like this one. By the way, that thing is supposed to be non-serviceable. We'll have a video how to open it, and on the inside you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses, 7 fuses and 3 relays. If you guys have problems, those will be the fuses that most likely you will need to check. If you blew a fuse, it will be right there, guys. Relays practically don't. That function is controlled by the engine computer. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.